Today I want to clone. Actually, you can clone on the system, and the cloning process is very simple for a Samsung drive. So I will clone today. I will show you how to clone using a Samsung software and a Samsung SSD. This is the SSD I got. So 1 TB NVMe M2 SSD from Samsung 980, and this is how we clone using this enclosure. Using this enclosure, this is Asus Rog Strix. Rog Strix arion. Using this enclosure, using a Type-C connector, and SSD. This SSD is inside. The SSD is inside this enclosure. So I have a system 256GB SSD and NVMe SSD inside this laptop. The Asus TUF A17. It's NVMe SSD 256 SSD from WD. So I will upgrade this to 1 TB, and I will clone the system without any data loss, without any app loss. Everything will be copied today. And now there is a system. You first need to do some basic things that I will tell you. This is the Asus TUF A17. Asus TUF A17 laptop 2020. I will today upgrade my 256 SSD and NVMe SSD to 1 TB. So this is a simple process I will do with a Samsung drive. I have a WD inbuilt SSD 256GB, and I will install this SSD into my it's a very good SSD, very fast SSD, up to rate speed of 3500 Mbps, and I will do with the Asus Rog Strix Orion enclosure, SSD enclosure, NVMe enclosure. I will give you the purchase links before, and I will do with the data migration software. It is very easy from Samsung. So data migration software, and this is my new SSD. This is my new SSD. This is my old SSD. This is the OS built here, and this OS will, and the OS full system will migrate to my new SSD using a Samsung data migration software. A few things that will be done. This is the thing. Say it's detecting. Data migration software for Samsung is detecting the SN530 256 gigs, and this is the target drive I will select. The target drive is Samsung SSD 1 TB. See, my total space OS 149GB, and full 149GB will come to this thing. Not a single data loss will happen. Before that, you need to do some steps, and that needs to be done. I will show you the steps one by one. First, in command prompt, I need to search the MD, and command prompt I need to open the command prompt, and these few things needs to be done before cloning, right? Run as administrator, so there will be no failure in the cloning on the drive. So run as administrator. So I run as administrator, and yes. So in this system process, I will check the disk. I will HDD SSD check disk, and my file system will scan for basic errors. It is scanning, you can see. completed, and it is saying that it is obvious Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems, so it is not an issue. If you find any problems that is sudden in the drive, then you need to do this basic command prompt. I will show you. And if you find any errors, you will just type chkdsk space / and then hit enter. And Windows will check for any problems and they will fix it. There's no issue in that. There's no need to panic. This so this enterprise. This is one thing you need to do first. Another thing you need to do one thing. Put this mode to airplane mode. That it will disconnect all the Wi-Fi and all activities, all the data transfer that is going on, and everything, your LAN connection, everything will be off. And next thing you need to do, you need to disable the device. What is the system running? Any thing that is happening on your drive C, the main drive, OneDrive or Google Drive, anything you're using, or Skype, anything, antivirus, you need to disable all these things that is running in your system. So this Samsung magician is running. You need to exit this. So you need to click OK. You will exit. So this is the basic things you need to do before you do this. So anything that is happening on drive, you need to just exit these things, close the drive. Then you need to go to the Task Manager using Ctrl Alt A, and you need to click on Task Manager, and you need to see what is the process going on. I am using this actually the Task Manager is the just process going on and nothing else. This process going on. So all is zero, all is fine. Everything is very fine. Nothing is left. You need to disable any software that is happening on your drive, and this needs to be done actually because any OneDrive or anything inside is happening in your drive. Okay, this disable any software, and that will not prevent it from the cloning process.
Applications icon that
So you need to just exit this antivirus software, whatever is running, such as this Riot Vanguard is running. You need to exit this one. Restore functionality until you restore your computer. Yes, it has gone. It has gone. So any drive, Google Drive, any OneDrive, any Dropbox, anything, you need to quit this that is happening on your drive. That is enter. It has quit. You need to quit the antivirus. It's been pause protection for the next restart. Okay. If you have got Asset, if you got a Norton, if you got a Avast, any antivirus that has specified any antivirus, that will disable this thing and that will prevent any operations that is happening on the computer. In this, I have got internet download manager. I will exit this thing also, and Microsoft Teams also. Anything that is happening in the drive. And then it is not this control panel is also running, and this is my drive. Anything that is happening on your drive is big wallpaper. That's done. And you need to disable, you need to also close the program that is running on the system. But in my program is not running anything that is not running in my computer, so it is completely safe here. Next I need to open the task manager and reassure everything is done. Open the task manager using Control Alt Del, and there's the task manager that is running. Nothing only except the task manager. I will just check. Nothing is running. Fine. Anything that is running, you will end the task. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Things running there, and you need to just put on the airplane mode. That will disable all. That just put off your network. Anything, everything is on. Nothing. There is nothing running. This is the airplane mode, and there is nothing running. All things are isolated. This is isolate the system from any network. This is important. Thing, and then we will go through the process. And this is some data migration software. It's basically used in Samsung. In other drives you can use Acronis True Image 2020 and any other. I will put the links which software are compatible. This is the target disk. This is the target drive. I will select the Samsung SSD and put the start. This will take few moments process. I will get back to you after the process completes. This is the warning sign that is giving me. Your computer will shut down after data migration 20 seconds. When cloning show all data of the target drive will be deleted. You make sure that in the target drive nothing is there and easily computer formatted and cannot be recovered. Also files on the soldier that open cannot be cloned. Please all running files before planning we want to continue. You need to check that again and please open. I will come back to you after the 3 megabits is completed. It has come, it is completed. About 149 gigs of data has been completed in about 10 minutes. It has been done. My OS has been transferred to the new drive. Let's see. System. Thanks for watching. Hope this video sufficed you. And I will replace the hard disk right now. Thank you very much.